We're almost there. Everything we already know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung fans, you're in for a treat, as this device promises to redefine high-performance smartphones. Expect upgrades in design, camera, processing power, and even battery efficiency. In this video, we'll cover the confirmed details, price, and release date for Samsung's upcoming flagship. Before we dive in, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. Your support makes a huge difference. Let's get started. Starting with the design, Samsung is switching things up. If you're familiar with the sharper corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you'll be surprised by the S25 Ultra's new look. Rumor has it the S25 Ultra will feature softer, rounded corners that not only feel better in the hand, but also give it a fresh, sleek look. Expect a slight increase in screen size, from the previous 6.8 inches to 6.9 inches. Imagine an even more immersive experience for gaming, streaming, or just enjoying vibrant visuals. It's not just about the size either. Samsung is likely to include an improved dynamic AMOLED 2X display, bringing even crisper details and richer colors. For those who love variety, Samsung is anticipated to launch the Galaxy S25 Ultra in black, green, blue, and a stunning titanium finish. These colors will offer a stylish flair, ensuring your phone stands out with a bold yet refined look. What's going on under the hood? Samsung is really going all in with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's internals. We're looking forward to the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is rumored to offer crazy fast speed and performance. This chip is expected to make everything run smoother, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or creating content. Alongside the improved chipset, there's talk that Samsung will boost the RAM to 16 GB. Imagine handling the most demanding tasks with no lag. This device is likely going to be a multitasking beast. Whether you're a content creator or just a power user, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's memory and processing power should cater to every need. The S25 Ultra is expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a day, even if you're using it heavily. Samsung seems to keep up its promise of long-lasting batteries without making the phone too bulky, making it great for those who want reliable performance all day. As for charging, even though Samsung hasn't officially announced anything about faster charging yet, we're holding out hope for some upgrades. It's likely that the S25 Ultra will include Samsung's usual fast charging tech, the same 45 charging speed, so you might still be able to get a full charge in under an hour. Battery life might get even better too, thanks to a more efficient GPU. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is all about better performance while using less power, with a 44% boost in CPU efficiency and 40% in GPU. Samsung isn't just keeping up, they're really stepping it up with the AI features in the S25 Ultra. After the cool AI upgrades we saw in the Galaxy S24 series, this new model is set to offer even smarter AI stuff, like making your photos look better and handling apps in a smarter way. This AI boost could totally change how you use your phone, giving you a more personalized experience. Photography lovers, Samsung's going big on camera upgrades. Samsung is reportedly enhancing the ultra-wide camera from 12 megapixels to a jaw-dropping 50 megapixels. If you love capturing wide landscapes, group photos, or snapping in low-light conditions, this lens could redefine what you can capture on a smartphone. Another anticipated feature is Samsung's new variable zoom capabilities. With this, you'll experience a seamless transition between zoom levels, giving you the flexibility of a professional camera. Say goodbye to pixelated zoom-ins and hello to crisp details at any distance. With all these upgrades, you're probably wondering about the price. Although we don't have a confirmed figure, experts anticipate a price similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, you might be looking at a price range of around $1,199. For a flagship with high-end features and lasting performance, this price could make the S25 Ultra a top contender in the premium smartphone market. When can we expect to see this new flagship? Most sources suggest an early 2025 release. While we don't have an exact date, mid to late February is likely, considering Samsung's usual release timeline. With its powerful processor, advanced camera system, and elegant design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting devices to look forward to in 2025. Samsung fans, this one seems to check all the boxes: power, performance, and premium design. So, what do you think? Will you be making the upgrade to the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely want to check out this one. It's a must-watch, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.